Hey everyone, welcome. I am Dr. Sandra Lee, a skin and face specialist. If you have ever struggled with acne, dark spots, oily skin, or just want that healthy, glowing complexion, you are in the right place. This channel is all about real, doctor-approved skin advice that actually works. No gimmicks, no overpriced products, just honest guidance from a real doctor who cares. Today, I am sharing my top 5 tips for clear and glowing skin. These are the exact tips I give my patients every day. Let us get started, but first, hit subscribe so you never miss a video. Let me start with the most basic but most important step in any skincare routine: cleansing, washing your face. It sounds so simple, right? But you would be shocked how many people are actually damaging their skin just by washing it the wrong way. I see this every single day in my clinic, so let me teach you the correct way, the doctor's way. First, wash your face exactly twice a day. Once in the morning when you wake up and once at night before you sleep. That is it. No more, no less. I know some of you wash your face 4 or 5 times a day thinking it will make your skin cleaner, but actually overwashing destroys your skin's natural protective barrier and causes dryness, irritation, and even more oil production. Twice a day is the perfect balance. Second, always use lukewarm water. Not hot, not cold. I see so many patients using very hot water because it feels refreshing. Hot water strips away your skin's natural oils and leaves your face dry and irritated. Cold water, on the other hand, does not properly break down the dirt and oil sitting on your skin. Lukewarm water is gentle, effective, and exactly what your skin needs. Third, choose the right cleanser for your skin type. This is where most people go wrong. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, use a gentle foaming or gel-based cleanser that removes excess oil without overdrying. If you have dry or sensitive skin, choose a cream or hydrating cleanser that cleans without stripping moisture. And please, never use bar soap on your face. It is too harsh, too alkaline, and it completely disrupts your skin's natural pH balance. Fourth, be gentle when you dry your face. After washing, take a clean, soft towel and gently pat your face dry. Do not rub, do not scrub, do not wipe harshly. Rubbing creates friction that irritates the skin, causes redness, and over time can even break down collagen. Remember this: cleansing is the foundation of everything. If your foundation is wrong, nothing else will work properly. Get this step right and your entire skincare routine becomes 10 times more effective. Now, let us talk about the 2 most powerful protection steps in your entire skincare routine: moisturizer and sunscreen. And I want to be very clear with you right from the start. These are not optional. These are not extras. These are absolutely essential for healthy, glowing, youthful skin. Every single day, no exceptions. Let us start with moisturizer. I cannot tell you how many patients come to me with oily skin and say, "Doctor, I do not use moisturizer because my face is already too oily." And every single time I tell them, that is actually why your skin is so oily. When your skin does not receive enough hydration from outside, it panics. It starts producing extra oil on its own to compensate for the dryness. So by skipping moisturizer, you are actually making your oily skin worse. You are creating the very problem you are trying to avoid. The solution is simple. Choose the right moisturizer for your skin type. Oily skin needs a lightweight, oil-free, non-comedogenic gel moisturizer. Dry skin needs a rich, creamy moisturizer with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin. Combination skin needs a simple, balanced lotion. Apply it every morning after cleansing and every night before bed. Your skin repairs and regenerates while you sleep, so your nighttime moisturizer is just as important as your morning one. Now let us talk about sunscreen, my absolute #1 recommendation. If I could give every single person in the world just one skincare product, it would be sunscreen. The sun's UV rays are the leading cause of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, premature wrinkles, uneven skin tone, and serious skin damage. And the most dangerous part? You cannot feel it happening. The damage is invisible until it is already done. Wear SPF 30 every single day indoors. Wear SPF 50 when you go outside. UV rays pass through clouds, through car windows, through glass. There is no safe time to skip sunscreen. Today's sunscreens are lightweight, invisible, and comfortable. There is truly no excuse anymore. Protect your skin today so you do not regret it tomorrow. We have talked about cleansing your skin from the outside. We have talked about protecting your skin every single day. But now I want to talk about something that most people completely ignore, and that is taking care of your skin from the inside. Because let me tell you something very important as your doctor. No cream, no serum, no expensive skincare product in the world can fix what a bad lifestyle is destroying from within. Your skin is a mirror of your internal health. What you eat, what you drink, and the habits you carry every day. All of it shows directly on your face. Let us start with water. This is the simplest, cheapest, and most powerful thing you can do for your skin today. Your skin cells are made mostly of water. When your body is dehydrated, your skin becomes dry, dull, tight, and much more prone to wrinkles and fine lines. I always tell my patients, before you spend money on any skincare product, make sure you are drinking enough water first. Aim for at least 8 glasses of clean water every single day. Within just 1 week of proper hydration, you will notice your skin looks plumper, brighter, and more alive. It is that powerful and that simple. Now let us talk about food. What you put into your mouth shows up on your face. And that is not just a saying. That is medical science. Foods that are high in sugar, refined carbohydrates, and fried oils trigger a process called inflammation inside your body. This inflammation shows up on your skin as acne, redness, puffiness, and dullness. I have seen patients completely transform their skin just by changing their diet, without using a single new skincare product. So what should you eat for glowing skin? Load your plate with fresh vegetables and fruits rich in antioxidants, things like tomatoes, spinach, carrots, berries, and citrus fruits. Include healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and olive oil. These nourish your skin barrier from within. Add foods rich in omega-3 like fish and walnuts, which reduce inflammation and keep your skin soft and supple. And cut down on sugar, junk food, and excessive dairy. These are among the biggest triggers for acne and dull skin that I see in my clinic every day. Finally, stop touching your face. I save this for last because it sounds so small, but the impact is enormous. Every single time your fingers touch your face, you're transferring bacteria, dirt, and oil directly into your pores. Your phone screen, your keyboard, door handles, everything your hands touch ends up on your face. This one simple habit change, being conscious and stopping yourself from touching your face, can dramatically reduce breakouts and skin irritation within just days. Your skin deserves care from the inside and the outside. Drink your water, eat clean, keep your hands away from your face. These habits cost nothing, but their results are priceless.